All right, so troubleshooting some problems with the 2006 Honda Accord today. This child-proof lock setting switch is not releasing. It's staying engaged so that the door can only be opened from the outside. So I removed this little piece here that was covering it, and I can't see what's going on. Time to start taking this thing off. Do one of these. Okay. As you can see, I pried off the two vanity cover panels right here and down here. I'm going to take those screws out, and then I can start using my trim removal tool. These things do wonders. I'll link it. All right. I have one clip here. Need to squeeze and pull out. Yeah, it's got two side latches you pull out. And then this guy has three tabs. One on the top, one here, and one down here. You have to push in and kind of jimmy it out, and that stays together. All right, that moved up that time. I felt it. So now I should be able to. All right, so I got this to move up now. It's in the up position, and I don't want to move it down. I think the guilty culprit here might be this piece that broke. So I'm going to try, I guess, it's risky to re-glue that. I should change it if I could. Order a new one or something. Maybe I could take it off and glue it. But I think that's not pushing the cable back all the way when it's released to allow this child lock to move freely. So that was the problem. I just kind of worked it all the way in, worked it all the way out, and then kept moving this, and then finally I felt it move up, and then it's seated better now. And if let's just do a little test. If I go here and lock it, I can open it from this. Yep, and if I lock it, can I pull this and it opens? Let's see. Yep, okay. All right, so we'll try putting it back together, and I might fix that piece. All right, so here I freed these two pieces also. This piece just kind of goes through in here, and you can see there's, it might be hard to see, but there's a way. There you go, see for the wire to escape. So I pulled the wire out, then it pops out that way, and it just frees. And I'm going to focus on maybe trying to glue this. I think that's the problem. And then reseat it and put everything back. Okay, so I just tried gluing this, and it's just not a gluable part really. So I'm just going to leave it as is and put it back together. The biggest problem is when it's in that state, this might accidentally get pushed back to child safety lock mode again. And then you can't toggle it back. So I just cut that plastic piece off and put a piece of electrical tape behind it. So you have to kind of peel this off if you really do want to engage it, and then you probably won't be able to get back unless you take the door off again like I did, the trim panel that is. So now I'm just going to reassemble it, and hopefully that should be good enough. Good. It's seating nicely. Holes are lining up. All right, so there the door is totally reassembled, and now you can get out from the inside. This is my version of the 2006 Honda Accord child safety lock hack. Hope you liked it. It includes removing the ability to turn on the child safety locks by cutting that off and taping over it, and re-engaging the normal locking procedure by taking the door panel off and then reassembling it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.